Well, good morning. My name is David with Advanced Affordable Hearing to answer some questions on video, and today's question is what kind of features are important and what should I be looking for? Well, of course, everybody's a little different, which is why we have many models of hearing aids to choose from. But there are some specific feature differences that you need to determine what's going to work best for you and your lifestyle. So the first and most obvious one in today's age is, do I want a hearing aid that uses regular batteries or do I want a rechargeable hearing aid? Now, there are advantages with standard batteries. The physical size of the hearing aid is usually a little bit smaller, and with standard batteries, you don't have to have a charger. You can go on vacation with a small supply of batteries. They'll get you through. It's not as convenient for some people, but in fact, it's much more convenient for others. So you just have to determine that. Now, the other thing, and I think this is super important, is take a little inventory about your dexterity in your fingers. If you have stiffness or arthritis and have difficulty manipulating smaller controls, look for a hearing aid that has what we call a finger wheel, which is a volume control that you just find with your index finger and push it forward for louder, backwards for softer volume. You can get the volume exactly where you want it. Now, I bring this up because some hearing aids are set with what we call a rocker switch. Now, a rocker switch works differently in that first of all, you have to locate the bumps behind your ear. When you push the upper part of that bump down, it raises the volume. Each time you push it, it moves the volume up one increment. The lower part, near the bottom of the hearing aid, each time you push that part of the rocker switch down, the volume will go down one increment. Now, the reason, once again, is if you happen to have stiff fingers or have difficulty manipulating small controls, the wheel is better than the rocker. Now, on the other hand, there are people who have difficulty with dementia, things like that, where a family member can set the volume for them and it's hard for them to move the volume to a wrong setting. So this rocker switch does have benefits in that kind of situation. The last feature that I think is very important is if you are socially active and in crowds, there is a feature called dual microphones. And with dual microphones, it basically allows you to focus the hearing aid forward and stop amplifying all the unwanted background sounds of crowds and other unwanted sounds. It just allows you to hear what you're trying to hear better. So that's a great feature, dual microphones. If there's any questions at all that you have about what features are best for you, please contact us. Any of our helpful associates will be delighted to assist. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.